Imagine a calculator that would always return a result of 42 for every equation. We wouldn't be able to do any calculations on it as its output would always be the same. Instead, the numbers we enter should have an impact on the result. In this case, the numbers we punch in are called inputs. Inputs are simply any information we give to the program for it to use. This allows us to break down most programs into 3 parts. The first part is the input. This is the information we give our computer, like the 2 numbers in our calculator example. The second part is the process. The computer will use our input to do something, like adding the 2 numbers together. The final part is the output. The computer shows us the result of the process, like displaying the sum of the 2 numbers. If we look at our previous program, we see that it has an output and its process is simply saving our name in a variable. Let's see if we can add an input. Instead of putting our name in a variable before we execute the program, why don't we make the program ask the user for their name? To do so, we'll use the prompt instruction. This is what it looks like. The text that you put between the parentheses is the question that the computer will ask the user. When you execute the program, you'll get a window with some text and a box to type into. The text is the question you want to ask the user, while the box is for the user to type their answer. Since we want to save the user's answer, we'll use a variable, like so. Say the user answers educode for their name. The program will then save that value in the variable first name. Next, we'll use this variable with console.log to output the user's name. Let's try it for ourselves. In the code editor, replace the question mark with a prompt instruction. Between the parentheses, write 2 quotation marks. Then, in between those quotation marks, write the question, "What is your last name?" Once your code matches the one on screen, run it.